Hi guys, you are welcome in the YouTube channel The Fastest Thinker. In the previous video, we learnt about HCF and LCM. If you want to watch this video, then press above I button. These types of many video I have put on the YouTube and which are very useful to SSC, UPSC, GPSC, IBPS, IAS, railway and police inspectors exam and other government exams too. For that, press above I button. Hi guys, today's our topic is fraction. Any fraction can be denoted by in the form a by b. Here, a number above the line is known as numerator and below the line is known as denominator. Fraction is also known as a rational number. In fraction n by d, n is any positive integer or 0 and d is any positive integer only. There are mainly three types of fractions. Number 1 proper fraction, number 2 improper fraction and number 3 mixed fraction. If the value of a fraction is less than 1, then it is known as proper fraction. If we take d here, then n is less than d. That means numerator is less than denominator. Here numerator 2 which is less than denominator 3. Same way 3 by 7, they are the example of proper fraction. Now second, improper fraction. If the value of a fraction greater than 1, take this d here, thus we have n is greater than d. Therefore, numerator is greater than denominator. Here 4 is numerator which is greater than denominator 3. Similarly 7 by 4. Thus, they are the examples of improper fraction. Now, mixed fraction. It is converted from improper fraction. For example, 7 by 4. Divide 7 with 4, then we have this type of multiplication. 4 ones are 4, remaining 3. Now, by this way you have to speak 1, 3 and 4. Here 1, 3 and 4 you have to write. 1 and 3 by 4 can be written by this way 1 plus 3 by 4. Thus, we have 7 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4. Therefore, we can say that improper fraction is equal to whole number plus proper fraction. Now, how can we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Here we have given mixed fraction. Here we have multiplied these two numbers and add these 3. That means numerator. So multiplication of 2 and 5 plus 3. Write down them in the numerator. And in denominator keep 5 as it is. Thus we have 10 plus 3 in numerator and 5 is in denominator. Thus it is equal to 13 by 5. By this way we can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Formula is like this: a and b by c. Here we have take multiplication, so multiplication sign is here and add this, that means plus sign here. Thus we have ac plus b and in denominator write down c. Now remember that any integer is also a fraction. For example 5. 5 can be written by 5 by 1. Here nothing is there in denominator, that means you have to believe 1 is there in denominator. Like that way 0 can be written by 0 by 1. Now types of fractions according to like, unlike and unit fraction. Like fraction, that means denominators are same. For example 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 6 by 7. In those fractions, denominators are same and therefore they are known as like fractions. Unlike fractions, denominators are different For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 3 by 8. Here denominators are different and therefore they are known as unlike fractions. Unit fractions. Numerator is 1, then fraction is known as unit fraction. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 9. Here in each fraction numerator is 1. Therefore it is unit fraction. Now one more form of fraction is known as decimal fraction. Sometimes any fraction is denoted by this form. For example, 2.79. We can speak it 2.79. Don't speak by 79. It is equal to 2 plus 0.79 is equal to 2 plus 79 by 100. Why 100 in denominator? Because after point we have 2 digits. Therefore write down 2 zeros after 1. And it is equal to 2 and 79 by 100. Similarly, 34.9 is equal to 34 and 9 by 10. Why 10 here? Because after point we have only one digit, so 1 0 can be applicable. Now, here are different forms of improper fraction. For example, 7 by 5. Divide 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 is remaining. Thus, starting from here, keep it in numerator and keep it in denominator. Thus we have 1 and 2 by 5. And this is mixed form. But if we want 7 by 5 in the decimal form, then go further in this division. Here nothing is there after 7. Put point here and above it put 1 point. Now take this 0 here, so it is 20. Now go further. 5 4s are 20. Write down here 0 0. Thus we have 1.4, which is decimal form of 7 by 5. Thus we have 7 by 5 is equal to 1 and 2 by 5, and it is equal to 1.4. From this one we can obtain this one too. How can? Here it can be written by this way: 1 plus 2 by 5. Instead of 5, we want 10, 100 like that type of term. Here we can make 10. If we multiply numerator and denominator both with 2, then we have 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10, and 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. Thus we have 1 plus 0.4. Now add them, we can obtain this form from this mixed form.
Thank you for watching the video.